PNG Court jails former Finance Deputy Secretary for 22 years over Paraka Funds. By Red Alert Team, PNG National News, 26th of October 2025. The National Court of Papua New Guinea has sentenced former Deputy Secretary for Finance, Jacob Yafai, to 22 years imprisonment with hard labor for his role in the massive Paraka Funds scandal, which saw over K41.8 million in public money misappropriated. The sentencing marks a significant milestone in the state's effort to bring accountability to one of the country's most infamous corruption cases. According to court findings, Yafai abused his position between 2007 and 2011 by authorizing a series of payments to Paul Paraka Lawyers under the guise of outstanding legal claims. The court determined that Yafai acted with full knowledge that the payments were fraudulent and lacked valid documentation from the Department of Justice and Attorney General. Justice Teresa Berrigan, in delivering the sentence, described Yafai's actions as a gross betrayal of public trust and deliberate abuse of authority. The court also revealed that the funds in question were funneled through multiple private law firms and accounts linked to the Paraka network, making recovery of the money extremely difficult. Evidence presented in court showed that Yafai personally benefited from certain transactions and failed to adhere to lawful financial procedures. The judge rejected his appeal for leniency, noting that his role as a senior public servant required the highest standard of integrity. The Independent Commission Against Corruption, ICAC, and the Royal Papua New Guinea Constabulary, RPNGC, confirmed that further investigations are ongoing into other senior officials and legal firms that may have played a role in the disbursement of the funds. The agencies stated that more prosecutions are expected as the Paraka saga widens in scope. The sentencing of Yafai follows the recent conviction of Paul Paraka, who was jailed for 20 years earlier this year for masterminding the fraudulent scheme. Together, the cases represent a strong signal that the government is serious about fighting corruption and ensuring justice for the misuse of public funds. Observers say these verdicts restore some public confidence in the justice system and set a firm precedent for future corruption cases. Red Alert Team.